Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Have you ever thought about keeping that spiritual glow while you're sipping on a pina colada in the middle of the ocean? Well, come aboard with us in today's episode, because your cruise dreams just got a little holier. First and foremost, everyone aboard the ship is a VIP, a very inspired person for the uninitiated. Whether you're about that solo prayer life or you're gathering a squad for some collective soul lifting, Princess Cruises has crafted the perfect spiritual haven for everyone. Now, if you're feeling the spirit to lead a service, or if you're one of the ordained cruisers, yes, Reverend Robert from 5 Baja, I'm talking to you. Just swing by the guest services desk. They've got all the info you need, and if you're planning to lead, jot down your name, cabin, and spiritual specialty. The cruise director's staff, who are probably more organized than my entire life, will be right on it. And hey, bring that letter of celebrate or letter of good standing. You know, just crossing the T's and dotting the I's. When it comes to special occasions at sea, Princess Cruises knows how to make them happen. Think you're going to miss out on a heartfelt cedar service during Passover? Think again. They've got a setup that's as soulful as it is scrumptious. And for those celebrating Hanukkah, while real flames are a no-go, safety first on the high seas, the festive spirit is still electric. Imagine marking the occasion with wine, challah bread, and a warm ambience that feels just like home. And for my Shabbos out there, don't think I forgot you. As the sun sets and the ship sails over the horizon, Princess Cruises ensures the ambience is just right for welcoming the Sabbath. With Shabbos supplies on hand and a serene setting, it's the perfect backdrop for a Friday evening of reflection, connection, and peace. Join in or lead the service at 5:30 p.m. and usher in the tranquility of Shabbat amidst the gentle lull of the ocean waves. So, after hearing about these spiritual moments on the high seas, have you ever felt a deeper connection or a moment of reflection while cruising? Maybe a sunrise meditation or a peaceful evening prayer with the ocean waves as your backdrop. Share your moments of serenity or spiritual connection in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.